lady from Holland, Petra. Hi, Petra.
Hi, Amal.
Yes, first time in Vivian hair design, and she come with very orangey hair color, and she didn't like it, and me too, to be honest. So we colored it this natural blonde hair color. Look at it, guys. It's beautiful, nice, shiny, lovely hair. I really love it. Look at it, so pretty, so nice. I'm turning a little bit. I wish you can see it because the light is really not good, but it is just perfect. I love it, guys. So let me ask my model, Petra. How do you feel with the new look? How do you feel?
I feel really pretty.
Yeah.
And now I'm looking perfect my coming few months. So I will be back here for the new treatment.
Yes.
I'm very happy with the result. Thank you, Amal.
She's so happy, and me, I'm happy. Guys, let me know if you like the hair. She look gorgeous. This was Petra from Holland. Guys.